What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. You see, we got the Scat today. We're trying to do rolling burnouts today. That's a goal. Do some rolling burnouts. My boy Corey gonna drift it later, but yeah, we're gonna do some rolling burnouts, see which way is the best way, because I'm curious, not gonna lie. I've been seeing some videos, I'm hella curious. It's dirty because we're drifting it in the rain last night, but yeah, Scatpack, we're gonna see what it does. All right, first way going to be brake, do a little burnout, then roll out. Next way is gonna be just to floor it. Second way, just to floor it. If you notice, it doesn't do it as long. Now I'm gonna try the manual, because the first way that I did it, it was in fully automatic. They say drifting is best with manual, we know that, but which one is best for burnouts? Is manual good for burnouts? Let's see. We're gonna start with a little burnout and then roll into it. But we're gonna see which one was best. Which one do you guys think is best? So yeah, which one did you guys think is best? Comment down below, let me know. So look, the first one, you can see the marks that you did the burnout first. And yeah, everybody saying the first one won. You guys comment down below, let me know. Car?
That's right.
Seatbelt. He said for what? For safety, bro.
Bitch, I ain't driving.
This nigga. So you're gonna have to, you want me to come out of it, or you just want me to do a donut?
You can come out of it, but I know how to do a donut.
Ready? Yeah. Mati, ready? Windows up or down?
Oh, shit, I don't like all that smoke in here.
Alright, ready? Yeah. So as I said, manual, all the way to the right, floor it. Yeah, you already know how to do the donut. It's when it's come out, and so just keep on watching me, cool?
Alright.
Am I recording? Yeah. Out of it, upshift, and it got grip as soon as I went into third.
Oh, as I'm coming out of that bit. Upshift.
Yeah, as soon as you straighten up, you just upshift, tap that thing.
And what if I don't decide to upshift?
I'm gonna show you. If you don't decide to upshift, ready?
Yeah.
More sideways. But when you upshift, it doesn't. Alright, I'm gonna do a wild side to side. Your turn.
Yeah, we can do. Maybe we should get bikes in our videos.